Well, welcome. Today we're going to do 2024 Pieces of the Past, an 8-year edition, Series 2. Got these things a little jumbled up, but these are like free boxes or something, so they're like odds and ends. You know, 1 or 2 or 4 or 5, you know, whatever, you know, but I got one more of these, so I'm going to open this one. As usual, we're going to go through the presidential autographs. I think this is, they are available in this one. This one actually has a relic card in each one. And I just found that a lot of these aren't really the best of relics, but there are some good ones. So we will have to see. They're all super thin. Alright, I think we're going to use the scissors on these. Okay. First one. Oops, didn't open all the way. There we go. Joe Biden. Yeah, unfortunately, that's a lot of the relics in this series. This is a weird one. Let's see what this is. It's a cool looking one. Vincent Van Gogh. Dual relic. Handwritten, looks like. Or not, you know, it's definitely handwritten from somebody. And unfortunately, it's a music one. I'm really in more to the politics or the presidentials, but you know, historical stuff, but not really the arts and music. Cleopatra. That's pretty cool. An old map. Or they had a coin or something, but that's still pretty cool. I don't know if they even have those kind of relics in this series. Okay, we got a dual relic of Benjamin Franklin and Thomas Jefferson. Looks handwritten. I guess this wasn't in a sleeve. Nope, no sleeve. Ulysses S. Grant. Unfortunately, it's just a newspaper relic, but see if we can get it up from the bottom here. There it goes. Alright. It's kind of attached to the paper, that's why. That's why I couldn't get it to come down. Oh my goodness. There it goes. Raphael. Artist, I guess. Alright. Let's see what this one is. Stamp. Not sure. Big stamp. Okay, our final one. Oh, George Bush. No, shouldn't have did that. No. George Bush. Not handwritten. Alright, so recap, we got a stamp, George Bush, that one, that was the good one. Alright, that is it for that box. Thanks for watching, see you on the next one.